Hi, welcome to Usborne Books with Laura. This is Usborne's My First Word Book. I love this one. It is so cute. All of the little illustrations are just so engaging for kids, and they're so simple and just so happy. I mean, look at the frog and the octopus. That alone is worth buying this book. They're so cute. It's a nice sturdy board book with rounded edges. And let's take a look at the inside. So here it has little animals. The penguin. So cute. Such a cute book. Family and friends. Food and drink. So if there's a particular topic that you're looking for your child, like if you found that your little one is really into food and drink, you want to try, we also have a My First Word book about food. If your child loves pointing out things on their body or is really interested in how their body works, we also have My First Word book about me. And that one goes into a little bit more detail about the little things on your body. Summertime. I can hear, draw, play, etc., etc., teaching them about verbs. On the farm, we also have a My First Word book about the farm. If your child is super interested in animals and the outdoors and things like that. Things that go, we also have a My First Word book about things that go. So it's a whole book about all this stuff here, plus lots more. Bedtime. Colors and counting. This is a wonderful book to give someone for a baby shower or for their first or second birthday. This is a great book to teach kids how to read because they'll be able to associate the word with the illustration. These books are all $9.99, so if you're interested in checking out the First Word books, just search First Word Book on your consultant's website. Thanks for watching.